Alright, everybody, welcome back to the show. Today I'm going to be doing a Tron helmet, 1982 style. I'm not going to be taking off the decals, I'm just going to scuff over them, get them smooth, and I'm going to paint right over top of them. I went ahead and added this light blue base down first, kind of give it some coverage over the helmet. Then I went ahead and hit it with some shimmering blue on top. As you can see here, I did not cover the helmet fully with the shimmering. My theory was to kind of hit and miss, so when I put the pinstripes on, it would look like a regular pattern of blue. I don't think it really worked, but this is my thought. Coat of clear to protect all my paint jobs so far. Here's the problem with this paint job. I am trying to make this motorcycle helmet, which is basically just a large round surface, to make it look like a hockey helmet that's got special curves to it. So this line here, this weird curve, that's the actual contours of the hockey helmet, and I have nothing to go off of, so I'm just kind of going blindly trying to make it look like it. That's why I got so many attempts trying to make it right. The whole time I'm laying down these pinstripes, I'm constantly looking at the other stripes and the space between each line to make sure they're constant, not one is bigger than the other. Those white dots right there, they were for the ends of the circuits. They're all cut out of vinyl. The movie helmet's not really a bright white, it's sort of like just like a dirty white, so after putting the white base down, I went ahead and added this pearl coat to kind of give it a slight sheen. And right here's another illusion, because on the original hockey helmet, these are indented, so I'm kind of adding little shadows to make it look a little more three-dimensional, and then putting drop shadows around to kind of give the illusion that it's standing up a little bit. Also, there's a lot of blowouts underneath all these tape lines because so much is overlapping. I got little blowouts in certain corners, so because I went ahead and cleared over that blue, if there was a blowout, I could just take a razor blade and just kind of shave it off, and I'm not hurting the blue underneath because it's got a coat of clear over top of it to protect it. Alright, now it's got an autograph, so now I take it back from him, lay it out real nice and soft so I don't scratch anything up, re-tape it off, get ready to put a coat of clear on it. Alright, an autograph is ink, so I'm being very careful not to douse it with clear. If you go ahead and get it too heavy with the clear, it'll activate that ink and it'll run like crazy. So I'll do a light coat, another light coat, and then do my normal coats on top. And then while I was doing all the touch-ups, I was like, I gotta give it something else just to make it pop. So I took some Oriental Blue House of Color, reduced it down, and just did a little light dusting in some areas randomly to make it look like it's just glowing. Yeah, it's a bit of a pain in the butt to tape up all these little small air vents, but at the end of the day, at least they're not all clogged up with clear, so it takes a little bit of effort, but what the heck. All cleared up, untaped, ready to go. I'm sure there's a few spots here and there where I forgot to kind of do some touch-ups, but it's so busy, you're never going to know, so it's fine. Alright, so there you go, another done job, ready to go out the door. Looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. Turned out pretty nice. Alright, y'all, take care.